Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name's Tenysiah for those of you that may be new. Today I'm creating this cute look. It is so pretty, guys. I love it. I've been wanting to make like an all matte look for a while, and this look is it. So if you guys want to see how I created this look, just keep watching the video. Using this palette today, it's the W7 Delicious palette. And it's natural and berry. I'm gonna go in with this one right here. So we're gonna go in that tan color there, and we're gonna pop that underneath the brow bone. And guys, what's been going on? Like, you guys know I'm a Canadian girl, and right now, like, we're getting like 20 centimeters of snow. Like, the snow started to come like a couple days ago, and your girl wasn't ready for this. Like, I was not ready for this snow. Like, I know we're used to it up here, but every time it comes, every year, it's still like, whoa, it's a shock. Like, you really got to do us like that winter, you know? But yeah, it's like -10 outside today, and your girl, I'm not feeling it. I just want to be in bed. I want to be cuddled up. Oh, I'm going into this kind of, I don't even know how to explain this color right now. Y'all see the color that I went into, okay? Like, don't come for me for my color explanations, because I know they ain't with it. But yeah, I'm taking that color and I'm putting it directly underneath the other one. And we have moved along to this kind of nude ashy pink color. And I know this color is not really supposed to show up on my skin tone, but I'm going to keep putting the brush in that color and keep packing it until something shows, because that color is super cute and I want to put it there. So as you guys can see, I'm still packing that color in. Still trying to make it pop there. I know it's hard to see on camera, guys, because like my lighting setup was kind of crappy that day. But I'm telling you guys, in person, it actually showed up, and this look looks so fire. Even if you guys see on the picture that you clicked, like it's so cute. This color is so pretty. And you know, one thing I hate about the winter, it's like every year, no matter how we think we're going to be prepared, like, I'm never prepared for all the things that my kids need for winter, right? Like, I got to be that mom, right? That, like, okay, the snow came today, so, I guess we can't wait to get the winter jackets anymore. Let's go buy winter jackets. Like, yeah, I'm that mom sometimes. Like, it sucks. Okay, I got 3 kids. It'd be hard. It'd be hard to be getting everything done all the time. And it's hard to take 3 kids to the mall. Like, you try taking 3 kids, like 14, 8, and 1 years old. Like, y'all, it's crazy. So I already dusted some of that coral color underneath my lid, and now I'm going into my Too Faced Razzel Dazzle, or is it Dazzle Razzel? Y'all know this palette, I use it a lot, and putting some of that shimmer color in my inner tear duct. And we just jumped into highlight, because you guys know I am a highlight fiend. Like, too much highlight is never too much for me, because your girl loves to glow. So let's take that highlight up a notch and go back into that palette, and that same color I use in my inner tear duct, I'm going to use to highlight my brow bone. And I'm also going to tap a little bit onto my cheekbones, because we extra like that. Why not? So guys, this is the jawbreaker. I'm not using my Annabelle Espresso lip liner. What? Yes, I got a new baby. It's by Rimmel. I cannot remember the name. It'll be in the description box below. But yeah, it's a very creamy texture, and I love it. And after that, I'm going to top my lips off with my Everything's Peachy. That's by Too Faced lipstick, and that lipstick color is lipbalm.com. I love it and it smells so good. Last thing but not least, we're just gonna put some mascara, and this look is done, y'all. So guys, this is the finished look. This look is so pretty, guys. Just take a minute to look at this look. Right? And my puff is on fleek today. So yeah, guys, I hope you guys liked watching this video, and like always, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.